So you have an expression x plus 9 divided by 5 plus x plus 2 divided by 4, that's equals to 5. Now, one of the simplest ways to do this is to first of all look at the bottom fraction number, which are 5 and 4, and what's the LCM? The LCM definitely will be 20, and then of course you do 5 divided by 20 is 4, and 4 will multiply the top fraction number, that's 4 bracket x plus 9, plus 4 into 20 is 5, and 5 will multiply the top, that's 5 bracket x plus 2, and that's equals to 5. Now I think what you need to do is to multiply 20 and 5, so that becomes 4 bracket x plus 9 plus 5 bracket x plus 2. 20 times 5 definitely is 100. And now you can open the bracket. 4x plus 4 times 9 is 36, plus 5x, and 5 times 2 is 10, and that's equals to 100. Now what you can do, you're going to add 4x and 5x, that's going to be 9x, and add 36 and 10, that's going to be 46, that's equals to 100. And what I think you could do is to subtract 46 on both sides, so that's going to be something like if I have some space, I have to take this up a little bit. So 100 minus 46, that's going to be 100 minus 46 is definitely going to be 54. 54, and then divide both sides by 9. Definitely you can see that x will be 54 divided by 9. I think that will be 6. That's quite a very simple way to solve this type of questions.